If you're a man over 50 and waking up multiple times a night to use the bathroom, it may feel like an unavoidable part of aging. You fall asleep without a problem, but a few hours later the urge hits, once, twice, maybe even 3 or 4 times before morning. By sunrise, you feel drained, foggy and frustrated. Many men assume this is simply what getting older feels like. But in most cases, it isn't just age. It's daily habits quietly irritating the prostate and bladder over time. The prostate is highly sensitive to inflammation, circulation, hydration patterns, stress hormones, and movement. When your lifestyle creates the wrong internal environment, the prostate responds by swelling or becoming irritated. That swelling can press against the bladder and urethra, leading to weak urine flow, urgency, and frequent nighttime trips. The encouraging part is this: just as habits can worsen symptoms, small adjustments can significantly improve them. One of the most underestimated habits is holding your in. Many men delay bathroom trips because they're driving, working, or simply busy. But repeatedly ignoring the urge stretches the bladder beyond its ideal capacity. Over time, the bladder muscles weaken and lose sensitivity, creating incomplete emptying and sudden urgency later. The added pressure also irritates the prostate. A simple solution is to empty your bladder regularly, even if the urge feels mild. Before bed, try double voiding. Urinate once, wait a minute, then try again. This can reduce residual urine and ease nighttime pressure. Caffeine and alcohol are another major contributor. Coffee may help you power through the day, and a drink in the evening may feel relaxing, but both act as diuretics. They increase urine production while also irritating the bladder lining. Caffeine raises cortisol, your stress hormone, and alcohol can disrupt testosterone balance. Hormone shifts combined with dehydration can increase inflammation around the prostate. The goal isn't necessarily elimination, but smarter timing. Keep caffeine to the morning hours and limit intake to 1 or 2 servings. If you drink alcohol, finish it several hours before bedtime and keep it moderate. Replacing late-night drinks with herbal tea or warm lemon water can make a noticeable difference. Hydration timing is another common mistake. Many men barely drink water during the day, then try to catch up in the evening. This creates 2 problems. First, dehydration during the day makes urine more concentrated and irritating. Second, heavy evening fluid intake forces your kidneys to work overtime right before sleep. Instead, aim to drink most of your daily fluids earlier. About 70% of your water intake should happen before late afternoon. Gradually taper off in the evening and stop large amounts 2 hours before bed. This simple rhythm supports better absorption during the day and more restful sleep at night. Sitting too long is perhaps the most overlooked factor. Modern life keeps many men seated for 8 or more hours daily. Prolonged sitting reduces blood flow to the pelvic region, limiting oxygen and nutrient delivery while allowing inflammation to build. Poor circulation can worsen urinary symptoms and increase discomfort. You don't need intense workouts to counter this. The key is frequency. Every 30 to 60 minutes, stand up and move for a few minutes. Walk, stretch your hips, or perform a few gentle squats. After meals, take a 10-minute walk. These micro movements restore circulation and relieve pressure on the prostate. Stress and sleep also play powerful roles. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, which suppresses testosterone and promotes inflammation. Poor sleep prevents the body from completing overnight repair processes. Hormone regulation and tissue recovery largely occur while you sleep. To support this cycle, maintain consistent bed and wake times, even on weekends. Avoid screens at least 30 minutes before bed to protect natural melatonin release. Simple breathing exercises, such as inhaling for 4 seconds, holding for 4, and exhaling for 4, can calm the nervous system and relax pelvic muscles. Dietary choices further influence inflammation levels. Anti-inflammatory foods support healthier prostate function over time. Cooked tomatoes provide lycopene, an antioxidant associated with prostate support. Pumpkin seeds contain zinc and plant compounds that help maintain hormone balance. Green tea offers antioxidants that may calm inflammation and support urinary comfort. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines supply omega-3 fatty acids, which improve circulation and reduce systemic inflammation. The goal isn't perfection, but consistency. Adding 1 or 2 of these foods daily can gradually shift your internal environment in a positive direction. The key message is that prostate health is shaped by routine. Each small habit either increases irritation or reduces it. Individually, these behaviors may seem insignificant. Together, repeated daily, they determine whether your nights are restless or restorative. The prostate is resilient and responsive. When you improve circulation, balance hydration, manage stress, and reduce inflammation, it often responds surprisingly quickly. Start simple. Choose 1 habit to stop and 1 to build. Perhaps you'll stop holding urine and begin taking short walking breaks. Maybe you'll shift your hydration earlier and limit evening caffeine. Small, consistent steps compound over weeks. Many men notice fewer nighttime trips, stronger flow, better energy, and deeper sleep within a short period. Waking up repeatedly at night doesn't have to be your new normal. Aging plays a role, but habits play a bigger one than most men realize. When you support your body instead of working against it, your prostate can settle down, your bladder can calm, and your sleep can return. Consistency, not perfection, is what creates lasting change.